Hi, in this session, I'm going to look at using SketchUp to import some engine components, and then exporting the 3D model from SketchUp into a format that I can use in Augment, and then adding the model then to the Augment library, and then sharing it. Load up SketchUp. Now, as you would no doubt be aware, you can get a hold of educational versions of SketchUp. So I'm going to go to, you can do this lots of ways, but if you go up to Window, you'll see the 3D Warehouse, which is the SketchUp library of objects. You can also get a hold of models off manufacturers. So all the car part, or engine part manufacturers. So I'm just going to look around. I just want to get an example for now. So here's a single turbo nice looking motor that I'll use for the example. So you'll have all the information about the model, of course. For example, there's a nice Cummins motor, and like I said, you can get this data directly off the manufacturers as well. And for the purpose of this example, I'll hit the download button. Because the browser is aware that SketchUp is open, it asks me if I want to load directly into the SketchUp model, so I'll say yes. But of course, I could download it to the computer as well if I wanted to. But again, for this example, I just upload the model directly into SketchUp, and the model ends up, and I can move around in SketchUp. So I'll just place it there for now. So I've been able to successfully import the model into SketchUp. So what I'm going to do now is export that model. So I'll go to File, Export 3D Model, and I'll choose the format. This .dae. This is a format that Augment, the next application we're going to use, particularly likes. So I'm just going to save the model now. I'm going to call it Cooled Motor, just so I can find it. And I'll go Export. And SketchUp will then export that model, translate the format to .dae, and it'll be all good. So now the model has been loaded. I'll go to, if you go to the Augment website, set yourself up an account, and one of the things you want to get is this thing called the Augment Desktop. This is available for PCs and Macs, and it gives you an application that you can now manipulate 3D models. But also importantly, then upload to a web server so you can use your augmented reality. So I'll just grab the file that I just uploaded. So I'll just have to navigate to where I just saved that. So just find that cool. There it is, Cooled Motor, and import it into the Augment Desktop application. Okay, there it is. We have the model loaded. What I'm going to do now is from this application is upload that model to my Augment account. So just leave it, like, you can rename it if you want, but I'll call it Cooled Motor, and I'll put in the category Education and make it public, so I can share this with other people, and I'll upload. Now this will take whatever time it takes, but as this is a large model, this might take a while. We'll see the progress down the bottom. And when the process is over, I'll get an indication. It'll tell me that the model is uploaded to the server. Okay, so here comes the message telling me the model's uploaded. I'll go OK. I can close the desktop application now and open my Augment account. So I've already set this up. So if I go to manager.augment.com.au English, it takes me to the website. As you can see, I've already got a couple of motors there. And this is the one that I've just uploaded. The Cooled Motor DE is there. I've just got to confirm the unit. So once I've done that, I can now preview the model. If I go down here and click on that icon, it'll give me a URL which I'll just copy into the browser memory. Go up to a new tab on the browser and paste that. And then what should happen? It takes me to this this screen that allows me then from my iPhone to get that scanning code. So I'll just open the Augment app and scan that, and then the model will come up on my phone.